Hello people, just in the flying loft at the minute, and just looking over the birds as you do. These are mainly old cockbirds. Well, they are actually, all of these are old cockbirds. One stockbird in there, two stockbirds, two reds. Full of beans, look. Full of beans. Upstairs on the middle shelf we've got this year young birds. These are cockbirds, as you can tell. Then on the top deck we've got all the girls. So I better turn this radio down, I'll only get copyrighted because the radio's on. Had these henbirds boxed up, to be honest, the last couple of days. And then there was a blue, I thought, that's not a henbird, it's a cockbird. And I put them in here. It's actually that one there, now about to jump up there, look. It's a cockbird. That's a 21 plate, and I thought it was a hen. Looks like all the girls are coming to see us then. Come on then. Come on. Come on then. Come on. Come on then. Good girls. Come on. Come on then. Come on. Come on. I wanted to do a little video showing that red, but I've still got this little red here, look. Look, that one. That one there, look at that. It's got a few flights to go as yet, but the colours on that feathering, I think that's really smart, that red. But yeah, they're all coming into their own, starting to show their activities, all wanting to pair up, but they won't be pairing up. Well, they might be actually. I might be planning something different with the blues this year, and I might be pairing the old cockbirds to yearlings. They'll be yearlings, won't they, come January? But that's what I think about doing, separating the original pairs and going for a fresh sort of, a fresh nest, shall we say. Because every year I'll breed the same young'uns, which are fine, they look fine, they fly fine. Fly pretty well actually, but yeah, I just thought I might pair them up different, especially, there you go, you might be able to see her, look at that red. I think she's definitely going to go in the stock loft, that red. She's got part bluey feathers on her as well, and obviously you can see the white feathers, but like I say, she's still got a few flights to go, but she is beautiful. Come on then. Come on. Hello. Come on then. Come on. Trouble is when they're all like this, They all start pairing up to each other in here, which is why I either have to cut the food down a little bit, keep them hungry, or box them up. I don't mind boxing them up. Get some tamer. Right, I better go. Got 3 prints in here by themselves. 1, 2, and 3. And she's in here because of the reason I just said. She keeps getting paired up to one of these blues, and I didn't want her to go down on eggs. Look at that. I'm going to put them on the loft tomorrow for a bath. They do need a bath, don't they, regular? You can definitely tell the difference if they haven't had a bath for a week or 2 at least. You can really tell the difference. These copper's going on for it, look. I thought one of them checkers was a hen. That one there, or that one there. That one there, I thought that was a hen. Could still be a hen, but he was ringing beaks with that red there. So she's definitely a hen bird, that red. Yeah. Right, thanks for tuning in. If you have, come on, girls. That one there, she's beautiful, that one. Yeah, sorry. Thanks for tuning in if you have, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.